Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play Abandoned Places, A Time for Heroes on Amiga. This is a dungeon crawler game which was released in 1992 by Electronic 2. So here's the title screen. Here. So let's go start a new game. In the beginning you have to form a group of 4 people, 4 heroes. So let's choose. We have to choose 2 warriors, a priest, and a mage. The 6 people in the 6 heroes in the top row are warriors. Then the three here are the priests, and the rest of the heroes are mages. So I choose this group, and then I will start the game by pushing this nearly invisible button here in the right corner. So the story is that we are in this land of Kylanthia, and people have after 900 years they have found out a way to revive these 4 heroes who were in this dungeon, and they were turned into stone. And apparently they are the last hope for humanity, because there's some big evil in this game which we must beat. This is not stated very well. There is a long manual, but I haven't read the whole story. It's a really long, actually. There's a manual, and then there's a storybook separately. So let's collect these stones so we can maybe someone will buy them off us later on. So anyway, we are in this dungeon and we have to get out. Here is a chest where we can find some food. Food and gold. So here I changed the character whose magic powers I'm using in this screen here. I choose the mage because he can do mage bolts. That's useful in the battle. Then I collect this dagger from this guy, and then shoot the other guy with other mage bolts. So here you can this priest, he can make a walk on fire spell. So we can walk on fire, but the temple entrance is blocked, so we cannot escape this temple from this front entrance. So we have to find another route. You found a jail key. Let's cure this. Cromer is the name of this hero. By the way, the attacking is done by pushing the right button on the weapon. Pressing left button is just takes the weapon away, so you have to use the right button. Right mouse button. So here's the jail, and there's actually accidentally used the light spell, which makes this jail much more clear. So we anyway had to use the light spell. Let's cure the Cromer guy again. So anyway, the jail seems to be a dead end, but actually this is where we have to go. So we entered the jail, then I think we go to right, and here this should be a secret entrance. Yes, that was right. I think it's a bit silly that the entrance you need here is completely invisible and you have no way of knowing where it is. You just have to guess that maybe this is maybe this is a secret entrance here. At least I haven't found any hints. Except that the manual states that there are some entrances that are invisible. That's how I guessed that maybe it could be. Yeah. Let's continue. So we don't have any. Oh yeah, we have one tail key left. It doesn't fit there. Oh, let's actually take this club first. Then fight the skeleton. Here's a door that opens. Here's a switch. And a sword. Ah, we need some light. Actually, I think this is the way we have to go. Yes, here was one wall was here, but the switch opened the wall. And now we find some water and fire and other things. We could also walk over the fire, but it's not necessary, so we just go around it. Supernatural heat beyond the door. And there's a... You see the fire elemental. Alright, and we have escaped the dungeon. Or the temple. You can't remember who you are and what you are doing here, but you feel at least 1,000 years old. You try to recall memories of your life, but with no success. And the world around you seems to be changed, as if evil ruled. So, now now we are here and we have to travel to the mainland to find out what we could do next. Okay, I found horses. That happened also last time when I played, so they are much more quick than walking around. So let's camp here. And then some monsters can appear. So let's cure our warriors first. There are usually 4 or 5 monsters which we have to beat first before we can continue our quest. So let's go. Oh, get it. Let's go fight that monster. Yeah. Ah, I see. There's another monster. Okay, the symbol here changed, which means that we have killed all monsters here. Let's try to sleep first. Okay, that was quick. Then let's continue. Now it's morning and we have to wait for a ship to appear here. That's going to take a while, I think, because the ship is going in the different direction altogether. So we'll wait here. So we have... Okay. Let's continue. And here we can enter the ship. I should be able to enter the ship. What's going on? Ah, okay, now I can enter the ship. And now I have to wait for the ship to go to the mainland. So let's wait again. here we change our vehicle to horses and go to the mainland. We could visit this town, but I think there's only some. Is it that? I don't remember the name. Oh, let's camp here. Some abbotty or abbot. I'm not sure if it's the correct word. So there's just this one religious guy who can heal us for a substantial price, and we have a healer in our group, so it's not very useful. Useful to go there. And it's important to know the correct place to go here, because there are lots of towns and it takes a while to search them. Let's make a camp. Yeah, the land is quite a big one, and there are lots of these towns. It takes a while to check them all, and some of them have a price to. Some of them demand a price for you to be able to enter the town. Let's walk at night this time. Monsters. Okay. Another one. These random these random encounters are a bit annoying because there's a lots of space here, and if you start to look around for the monsters, then you easily get lost, and you still have to find the monster at some point to be able to move on. One thing you can do is to just wait for your team to get tired, and then you can go to sleep. Usually the monsters attack you when you are asleep. So eventually they will find you, but it can take a while. Okay, we must pay for entering the area, and we must pay 5 gold, which is quite a lot because we only have 15 gold. Let's pool money for Cromer, so Cromer has all our money. Then we can. You are at Twilight. The capital city of the fighters stands as a fort on the top of the mountain. It has massive walls and some devices with purposes unknown to you. this is the one place where we can level up our party members. That it is free, so whenever we find this symbol, we can always go and check whether we can raise our level. Daryl is quite close to leveling up. And then we can go to a shop and buy some weapons, for example. Longsword is way too expensive. We don't have any money for that. Same for battle hammer and such. We can also sell items, but this guy is not buying our stuff. Okay, this is the best guy. He usually buys everything, but not even he is buying the rocks. I think this guy was able to... No. Well then we won't sell anything. We just go to this sage. He says that we may work together in the future, but first I need to test your fighting skills. My guards will take you into a place full of monsters. You can prove your aptitude by destroying all of these unfriendly creatures. So we go to this trial. So we can see that we have obtained Mage Cloud and Mage Sleep, actually. Let's try to sleep, because the team is exhausted. Do some light. Gold. How much? 15 gold, that's nice. It's a dead end. Ah, we have found a key. Green key. And a dagger. Let's give it to this guy. Huh? Elven wafer. Actually don't know what wafer is. Ah, we have found some bread. Bread and a switch. Looks like a jail cell. Like this one also. Oh. Don't think we have any keys for this one. Yeah. Nor for this one. It's a big dungeon and it's easy to get lost here because there's no map either. Oh, damn it. Ooh. Almost drowned myself. This is the switch we already pulled at some point. Yeah, it's not. I can go back now, but have I completed the mission or? Oh, there are more monsters there. This is the chest, which is empty. The switch we used. This is a dead end. This is also dead end. There should be some switch which opens this one. And there's a keyhole. And here's also a keyhole, but we don't have any keys. So I think that we have to pull some switches back to their original positions and then come back. Let's try that. Okay. Around in circles. So this one. Ah, I went to the wrong place. So there are two switches, and now they are in their original position. Alright, so there's one door now, which wasn't there before. So we should pull this switch now. And the door opens. This door is still locked. Or, yeah. Hard to say. I'm a bit stuck here now. So I have found two switches. The other opens and closes one door, which I know, and the other one... About the other one, I don't know what it does. So let's go back to the other switch once more and yeah, this is the point where I get stuck. So I think it's enough for this video also. But anyway, so it seems like a nice dungeon crawler, but I cannot do any comparisons because I haven't played any dungeon crawlers before. But anyway, this seems quite fun. The problem is that I get stuck. And I don't like that, really. So I should find some monster. Or, yeah, there's some monsters behind the doors which are closed, but I don't know how to open the doors. But yeah, this seems like a nice game from 1992. So, thanks for watching.